Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have the basics. Now start. Open your terminal, navigate to the project folder, and run TTK in it to create the config. Once done, inspect the generated TTK. YAML to understand default modules and paths. Make sure to run TTK version and resolve any missing dependency warnings before proceeding. You'll save time by correcting environment variables now rather than later. This first step configures the tool for your workflow and gives you a concrete file to edit for the next stage. Once your config exists, edit TTK. YAML to enable the plugins and set runtime options. You'll want to set path, concurrency limits, and logging levels so processes behave predictably. Then use TTK add plugin name and TTK enable feature name to extend functionality. These commands modify config and fetch assets. Make sure to run TTK run dry to preview what will execute without making changes, and iterate until outputs match expectations. This middle phase aligns the two. Now execute your tasks with TTK run task name or schedule recurring jobs using TTK schedule and a cron expression. After running, validate outputs by checking ~/ TTK /logs and spot check artifacts or deployment targets. If something fails, use TTK diagnose to gather state and error traces, then TTK restore to roll back to the last stable config. One key troubleshooting tip: if behavior is inconsistent, compare active environment variables with TTK env export. Mismatched path or node env values are the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.